You're leaving money on the table if you're not engaging your contact list on a regular basis in a way that drives them to your site and to your products or services. Check it out. Email marketing, YouTube. It's time. The time is now. It's coming. You can edit that later. Reaching out to your contact base by email, of course, but when you think about how you break it down, things like a newsletter to remind customers about what you do and your services or what you sell and why you're different than your competition. A product promotion email that says, we've got something new coming out and you need to know about it. Check it out. Or we're offering a discount now for a special reason.
Oh my God, we're having a fire sale.
And of course you want your customer base to know that because you know that that discount's gonna drive some conversion. And then beyond that, then when you get into the details of it, it's building automation that will reach out to your customer base without you having to engage because they took action. So whether it's action they took on your site by starting a checkout but not finishing it, or viewing a product, or signing up for the very first time for a newsletter, or maybe to get a discount, it's making sure that we're taking advantage of all those different opportunities to ultimately drive conversion. You're leaving money on the table if you're not engaging your contact list on a regular basis in a way that drives them to your site and to your products or services. We know that email marketing also drives engagement across the board through other channels because they're seeing your brand in their inbox. Whether they open that email and engage with it, they are still being reminded of your brand and you're reminding them, hey, you're my customer. And so the benefits are tremendous. There's really no business that we've had to say, oh, that's a terrible idea as of yet. On an e-commerce side of things, are you running a promotion this month? Is there a new product coming out? Do they need to get excited about something that's coming down the line? Across the board, any kind of industry, there's an opportunity for email marketing. So people are doing wrong in email marketing is assuming that sending an email is exactly what they're supposed to do all the time. And so sending the same email multiple times or sending, one email to their entire list just to see if they can get a response and then not getting a response, not getting, hitting industry standards and then continuing to do so because they know they should be doing something, but they, again, don't have the expertise or the time to really lay into it to say what's the right thing to do. Ready? We're going up here. If you have a website, you should be engaging with email marketing. Pull the mic down so I can drop it.